Hi guys, welcome to my video. This video I would like to say something that I want to share to all of you about my personal life. We can say my daily life as a worker. I am not a perfect worker. I just have a small job for my daily life. So usually I start with at 1 to 9 p.m. every day. So now I am preparing to job